Our green zombie cross, green zombie Jesus cross failed me. So we're gonna try to do a different color. So I heard that if you have an L here, then you're good with something. So you have to find the bottom ones, which you make like that, a little of this and that, and a little shibbity-doo boo boo. And I still don't have it. Oh, I hate this. Okay, okay. Blue it is! Hey, there's blue. All blue and nice, yeah. Um, so, we have to find the blue cross. And I fucking suck at this. Maybe I should try some backwards moves, some other moves that I haven't tried before, like, let's see, left inverted, down, triple face, right. Oh, what do you know? It's still wrong. Ah, I hate this.